Okay, and so here are the pages you'll get from your kit that when you download it from Etsy, printed out on matte photo paper for the color. And when you see these files, by the way, when you see them on your computer screen, the red is going to be screaming red. Don't worry about it. I had to make it that bright in order to get this bright of a red on the printout. So don't worry, just print it out. And this is matte photo paper. It should come out just fine. And so here are the color pages for the tissue folio. And it has black and white pages of the calendar. I've already cut mine out here, but it's got January through December of the schedule to read the Bible through. So that's what this is to read the Bible through in a year. And so you can make this up, put it in a journal and give it as a gift. And it's a practical gift because they can actually use the schedule for reading the Bible. And this is a different format. This is just going to be the little page that you can put in your journals. And it's got the months as well. So that you'll print the pages out on black and white, just regular copy paper, thin paper. And this one sheet will go on color matte photo paper. So this is it. It's a sneak peek, and I hope you like it. And it will be out on Etsy, and you'll be able to make these for Christmas gifts. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video when we'll be putting this together.